Hello all, in this session of our quick demo video series, we want to show you our PunchOut catalog shopping solution for Maximo. Imagine shopping at work for parts, materials, and services the same way you do at home on Amazon, Best Buy, or any other consumer retail site. Well, with the P2Insight PunchOut catalog shopping add-on for Maximo, you can. Before we get started, let's explain exactly what is PunchOut. PunchOut enables a seamless consumer-like shopping experience through an integration between your Maximo requisitioning system and a vendor's online real-time catalog. This gives you real-time information about pricing, availability, and delivery times as you're making your purchase decision. 2. Searching for items using the vendor's advanced search engine and adding selected items to a shopping cart. You search and shop a user-friendly catalog. You find the exact items you're looking for and then add them to your shopping cart. Sound familiar? Number 3. Automatically transferring the shopping cart back into your Maximo requisition, where you continue with your regular requisition submission, approval, and ordering. For example, let's say you're looking at this pump. It's a Milwaukee 18-volt self-priming transfer pump. You would go to your Maximo desktop requisition or purchase requisition application, enter basic requisition details, specify the work order or GL number to charge, then punch out to your preferred vendor to search their catalog for this item. When you press the new PunchOut button, you will get a list of all vendor catalogs that your organization has onboarded. Each organization will have its own list per its preferences. You select the vendor catalog that you wish to shop. In this example, you'll select the Fastenal catalog. This takes you to the official Fastenal website, where you can use their powerful and easy-to-use search engine to find the part that you need. In this example, you would enter transfer pump and other keywords, and find the pump you were looking for. Once found, you can confirm all the product specifications, and once you know that this is the product you want, you can see the real-time information about the price and availability. As you can see, this product is available, so you can order it, knowing that it meets your requirements and will be there when you need it. You can keep shopping for other products, but in this example, we just need one item and we'll check out. This is done just like at home with consumer shopping, but the difference is you're not asked to pay for the items. The shopping cart is simply brought back accurately and complete to your Maximo requisition, where your organization processes, approval workflow, and procedures will take over and get the requisition approved and the item ordered. If you look at the requisition in Maximo, you will see all the shopping cart items have been brought back as a PR line item. If you look at the line details, you can see the system has an item description, the long description, the correct, current, and your negotiated discount or price, the vendor ID and name, the vendor catalog number, the manufacturer, and the model number. Everything required to describe the part so that the approver, buyer, and vendor all know exactly what you want. No wasting time clarifying or buyer gathering additional product specs. No wrongly ordered parts delivered and sent back. No invoice discrepancies, etc. The vendor catalog search engine provides additional and real-time information and are built for purpose that make their category of items easier to find. For example, Amazon show availability and delivery date. Most use powerful keyword and spec sheet searches. Some use equipment part lists supplied by the manufacturer. Others, like Crown, use a bill of materials, expulsion diagrams to show you to select from. ID Works gather all the information necessary for their line of clothing. Grainger show related information such as spec sheets, related products, alternate suggestions, commonly purchased together items, safety sheets, diagrams, and so on. Vendors are competing and trying to make their search engines better, powerful, and more usable all the time, so the experience will just get better. Who can we do this with? Most major MRO suppliers like Grainger, Fentanyl, MSC Industrial, NAPA, McMaster Carr, Motion Industries, and many more have widely adopted CXML, PunchOut, and other e-procurement integrations. We know of 1,800 suppliers, and that list is growing all the time. This is just a small sample of the ones we've most often worked and connected with. So, what are the key benefits? First, it's fast. Quickly find and instantly transfer item details to your system without any manual entry and data entry errors. Second, real-time information. Use current and accurate pricing, availability, and delivery estimates when making purchase decisions. Third, Optimizes downstream processes, less clarifying and validating by buyer and vendor, less wrong parts shipped, less invoice discrepancies, and faster time to deliver. Fourth is cost saving. Supports shopping with only approved vendors and applies your negotiated discount pricing to all purchases. This doesn't just make sourcing and requesting faster and easier, it simplifies the downstream process for approvers, buyers, vendor, receivers, and your account payable team. And it gets you the correct part that you need when you need it, and with the least amount of bureaucracy and expediting. Thank you for taking the time. We hope you found this quick demo video useful and informative. For full demonstration of all the functions and features, please submit a request for a demo. You can reach us via email at info@p2insight.com or via our webpage at www.p2insight.com.